you're looking for the best shared hosting, this video will save you a ton of time and money. I personally tested these hosting providers on real WordPress websites, including running speed tests so you can see exactly how they perform. And in this video, I'm going to show you the best shared hosting options based on speed, pricing, ease of use, and overall value. I'll show you which hosting is best depending on your situation, whether you're a beginner, building multiple websites, or trying to get the best deal possible. To get the best pricing on any of these hosting providers, check the links in the description below. Quick disclosure, those are affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll actually get the lowest pricing available, and in some cases, even lower than going directly to the website. Let's get into it. Here are the top shared hosting providers right now: Hostinger, best overall value; Bluehost, best for beginners; SiteGround, best performance and support; Hosting.com, best for speed-focused users. I'll break each one down quickly so you can choose the right one for your needs. First up is Hostinger, and this is honestly the best overall shared hosting provider right now. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 75% off hosting, plus an extra 10% coupon discount, and a free domain name on annual plans. This is usually the lowest pricing you'll find for quality hosting. What makes Hostinger stand out: very fast load speeds, light speed servers, easy to use dashboard, great for beginners, can host multiple websites on one plan, strong value for the price. And to test performance, I set up a real WordPress website on Hostinger and ran a speed test. The site loaded on average 991 milliseconds, which is very fast for shared hosting. So you're not just getting cheap hosting, you're actually getting solid performance as well. If you're starting a website, blog, or even multiple sites, this is usually the best choice. Next is Bluehost, which is one of the most beginner-friendly hosting providers. It's also officially recommended by WordPress. Right now, Bluehost offers up to 78% off, free domain name on annual plans, free SSL certificate. What makes Bluehost great? Extremely beginner-friendly setup, easy WordPress installation, clean dashboard, great for first websites. I also tested Bluehost with a live WordPress site. The load time averaged 1.3 seconds, which is good, especially for beginners just getting started. It may not be the fastest on this list, but it's very reliable and easy to use. If you've never built a website before and want something simple, Bluehost is a solid choice. Next is SiteGround, which is known for performance and support. This is more of a premium shared hosting provider, but you do get faster performance, excellent customer support, strong security features. SiteGround is best if you want higher end performance. You don't mind paying a bit more, you want reliable support. When I tested SiteGround with a real WordPress site, the performance was solid and consistent. The site loaded on average 1.1 seconds, which is very good for shared hosting, especially considering the level of support and reliability you get. Then we have Hosting.com, which is focused heavily on speed. They offer high performance servers for faster performance, good reliability, developer-friendly options. This is a good choice if speed is your top priority. You're running more advanced sites. With Hosting.com, I tested their speed-focused setup, and the load time was the fastest, averaging 875 milliseconds. So if speed is your main priority, this is definitely a strong option. Here's the simple breakdown. Best overall value, Hostinger; best for beginners, Bluehost; best performance and support, SiteGround; best for speed tuning, Hosting.com. If you want the best balance of price and performance, go with Hostinger. If you want the easiest setup possible, go with Bluehost. To get the best pricing on any of these hosting providers, check the links in the description below. You'll actually get the lowest pricing available, and in some cases, even lower than going directly to the website. Also keep in mind, free domains are only included on annual plans. Monthly plans usually don't include the same discounts. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials on building websites and choosing the best hosting. And if you're ready to get started, check the links in the description to lock in the best deal available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.